Hello, everybody, and thank you for attending my presentation today. My name is Beth, and today I'm going to tell you about the place where I come from, which is a state called Ohio in the United States of America. So I'll tell you about my home, Ohio, and first I'll talk about the geography of Ohio, and you will learn why Ohio is called the Heartland. Then I'll talk about my favorite food from Ohio, and I will explain why Ohio is also called the Buckeye State. And finally, I will talk to you about my university, the Ohio State University. So let's get started. Let me start with geography. Here's a map of the United States, and you can see that Ohio is in red. So Ohio is considered to be a Midwestern state in the middle, but you can see that it's a little bit north and a little bit east. Because of this location, it's where the heart of America would be, and that is why Ohio is called the Heartland, because it's the heart of America. Here's another map of Ohio, and you can see from this map that there are two separate areas in Ohio. In the southeast is the Appalachian Plateau, and here is a lot of beautiful nature because there are mountains and hills and rivers and valleys and lakes and beautiful forests. There are many state parks that you can visit the beautiful nature. But in the northwest, it's very flat. That's because of the glaciers. So let's move on to have a look at some famous food in Ohio. Ohio is Midwestern, so the food is comfort food. That is meat and potatoes, food that's really warm and filling and makes you feel happy. So Cincinnati chili is probably my favorite food. Chili is a common dish in America. It's like a thick soup made with meat and beans, but the chili in Cincinnati is special because it has a unique flavor. It's made with spices and cinnamon, very unique. And my favorite Cincinnati chili comes from the restaurant called Skyline. Here you can see a picture. Skyline serves this chili on top of spaghetti noodles and with cheese. Another famous food in Ohio is Buckeyes. Buckeyes are Christmas candy that we make at home using peanut butter and chocolate. And they're called Buckeyes because they look like Buckeyes. Buckeyes are a type of nut that come from a tree. And this tree is growing in Ohio. And that's why Ohio is called the Buckeye State. So let me tell you now about the university I attended. The Ohio State University, or OSU, is in Columbus, Ohio. And it's the best public school or state school in Ohio. But it's one of the largest universities in all of America. And OSU is considered to be a great value because the quality of the education is high, but the cost is not too high, and it's not too difficult to get in. As I said, it's one of the largest universities in the country. The campus is so large that you can see there's a park in the middle of the campus that's called the Oval. And the campus is so large, they need their own public transportation system. But the most famous thing about the Ohio State University is the American football. They're one of the best college teams in America. Their colors are scarlet and gray. And here you can see a photo of all of the fans watching a game in the stadium, which is called the Horseshoe. So this concludes my talk about Ohio. If you get a chance to visit Ohio, you should visit a state park to enjoy the beautiful nature. And you should eat some Skyline chili and watch an OSU football game inside the Horseshoe. I hope you enjoy your stay.